Best spin mops. I recently dove into the world of spin mops to find out which ones are truly worth your money. After testing several options, I'm here to share my honest experiences so you don't waste a dime on the wrong mop. Let's jump into the top 5 spin mops that stood out in my trials. Product number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. When I first unpacked the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop, I was struck by how user-friendly everything looked. The setup was a breeze. I just had to attach the handle and fill the bucket with water. Using it felt like a game changer. The hands-free wringing feature was a standout for me. Instead of getting my hands dirty, I just stepped on the foot pedal and watched as the mop head spun dry in seconds. It was a relief not to have to wring it out by hand. The mop's microfiber head is a real workhorse. With millions of strands, it captures dirt, grime, and even pet hair effortlessly. I tested it on various surfaces, hardwood, tile, and laminate, and it performed beautifully on all. There's something satisfying about watching it glide across the floor, leaving a streak-free shine behind. I was also impressed by how well it reached into corners and under furniture. The 360-degree rotation truly makes a difference. However, there were a few downsides. Product number 2 is the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. I was eager to put the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop to the test, especially since it promises to clean with clean water all the time. Upon setting it up, I was impressed with the design of the bucket, which allows for dirty water to be separated from the clean. You simply fill it with fresh water and the system works its magic. The built-in foot pedal made it easy to wring the mop without any mess. I love that I can clean my floors without worrying about using dirty water. This mop is designed to eliminate 99% of bacteria, which is a huge plus for someone like me who has kids running around. I used it all over my home, and the microfiber head picked up everything from dust to sticky spills without any harsh chemicals. I did notice that the mop head is machine washable, which saves money in the long run. Product number 3. O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop, plus 2 extra mop heads. Using the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop with the extra mop heads was like hitting a cleaning jackpot. I loved the idea of having 2 additional mop heads on hand, especially with kids and pets in the house. It gives you the freedom to clean more frequently without worrying about running out of supplies. The mop performed beautifully, just like the previous model. The ability to clean with clean water is a game changer. I filled up the bucket and started mopping. The microfiber head effortlessly picked up all the dirt, and I felt confident knowing I was eliminating bacteria just with water. The foot pedal worked perfectly, allowing me to control how wet the mop would be. One of my favorite features is that it's machine washable. After a long cleaning session, I could just toss it in the wash and have it ready for the next round. Product number 4. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop plus 2 extra refills. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop with 2 extra refills is a smart investment for anyone serious about keeping their home clean. Right out of the box, it was clear that this mop was meant for heavy-duty cleaning. The extendable handle and hands-free wringing feature are essential for people who don't want to bend down or get their hands dirty. I filled the bucket and was ready to start mopping. The microfiber head did an incredible job of picking up pet hair and dirt, even on the hardwood floors where I usually struggle. The extra refills are fantastic. I never have to worry about running out. After a solid cleaning session, I tossed the mop head in the washing machine and it came out as good as new. Product number 5. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop with 3 extra refills. And let me tell you, it's a cleaning game changer. The mop itself is sturdy and well designed. The hands-free wringing feature is a huge time saver and keeps my hands dry. I filled the bucket and got to work, and I was amazed at how well it picked up dirt and grime with just water, no harsh chemicals needed. I appreciate that the microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. It's environmentally friendly and cost-effective. The triangular mop head allows for easy maneuverability, getting into tight corners and under furniture. After testing these spin mops, I can confidently say they each have unique strengths that cater to different cleaning needs. Whether you're looking for a cost-effective solution or something that simplifies the cleaning process, there's a spin mop here for you. Happy cleaning!